Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Dunder Mifflin Lego is probably one of the most iconic and beloved office settings ever depicted on television, and now you can bring a piece of that Scranton magic right into your home with this incredibly detailed and fun Lego set, perfect for fans of The Office and Lego enthusiasts alike who appreciate a touch of nostalgic humor and creative building. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details that will bring back hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a buildable Central Perk studio, complete with all your favorite characters. You'll find Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, along with cool accessories for endless role-playing fun. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's perfect for those aged 16 and up who enjoy building solo or sharing the fun with loved ones. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters, this set allows for endless creativity. Build your own mashup models and create unique stories with what you already own. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. Display it proudly in any room or office to showcase your love for the show. What we like. This set brings the iconic Central Perk Cafe right into your home. It includes all the main characters and tons of authentic details. If you are a die-hard Friends fan looking for a nostalgic build and a fantastic display piece, this is the one for you. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible, from the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on, Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The attention to detail is fantastic, with small touches like the menu board, the coffee machine, and even the reserved sign on the couch. The set includes 7 minifigures, Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Their outfits and expressions are spot on, making them a great addition for both display and play. The details are great. The coffee mugs, cookies, flowers and the fact that you can turn the store's Central Perk sign either way is very fun. The couch with rug just sits loosely in there once it's built, so you can easily pull that out if you want. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed brick recreation of the iconic glove, complete with the vibrant Infinity Stones. This golden glove perfectly captures the captivating style of Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame. It's an impressive homage to the epic saga. Featuring movable fingers and vibrant colors, this model is designed for timeless display. It's sure to be the center of attention wherever you place it. This building set offers an iconic office or home decor piece. It's a fantastic way to showcase your love for Marvel. Looking for the perfect gift? It comes with a sturdy stand, complete with a descriptive tablet. This ensures your completed gauntlet is ready for admiration. What we like. This set captures the immense power of the Infinity Gauntlet with incredible detail. The movable fingers add a dynamic element to this display piece. If you're a Marvel enthusiast or a fan of the Avengers movies, and you want a show-stopping centerpiece for your collection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The assembly is around 12.5 inch tall. Great design with a shiny look. The fingers can move, which is pretty cool. With its shimmering gold bricks and an array of vibrant infinity stones, this set is the epitome of eye-catching beauty. The instructions were really simple to understand as the blocks were color-coordinated to match what I was constructing and not black and white. The golden pieces shine beautifully, and the display stand gives it a real, collector's item vibe as the brightness reflects off any light. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Embark on an epic journey with this detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander. It's designed for space enthusiasts and builders aged 16 and up. Explore a meticulously crafted lunar surface, complete with craters, footprints, and the iconic US flag. This set brings the historic moon landing right into your home. Discover the intricate details of the modular descent stage, featuring gold-colored landing pads, opening camera, and a movable ladder. It's a realistic representation of the original spacecraft. Step inside the ascent stage, which includes space for 2 astronaut minifigures. A special nameplate commemorates the Apollo 11 mission. This collector's set comes with 2 astronaut minifigures, adorned with authentic NASA decorations and golden helmets, ready for their lunar adventure. Once completed, this impressive building model serves as a stunning centerpiece for any home or office. It offers a challenging yet rewarding building experience for adults. What we like. This set offers a highly detailed replica of the Eagle lunar lander, complete with a lunar surface. Its realistic modular design allows for an engaging building experience. If you have a passion for space exploration, history, or enjoy intricate display models, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. LEGO went to a lot of trouble to get the details accurate. The instructions includes a lot of history on the Apollo 11 mission and details about the lunar lander. The lander had a compartment, nicely hinged in the LEGO model, that deploys a camera aimed directly at the ladder to record and broadcast the historic giant leap. No missing pieces, nice gold and silver metallic plastic parts, and stickers that are shiny enough to reasonably simulate the gold foil on the lander. This is one of those sets that feels special from the start because it combines history, display value, and a very satisfying building experience into one really well-executed model. For anyone interested in space exploration, NASA, or unique LEGO display sets, this one is a fantastic choice. Number 2. LEGO Ideas Seinfeld 21328 Building Kit. Step back in time to the iconic 90s sitcom about nothing. This set lets you recreate Jerry's apartment in stunning brick detail. Bring your favorite characters to life with 5 included minifigures: Jerry, George, Kramer, Elaine, and Newman. Don't forget their accessories. Explore the meticulously detailed apartment, complete with a kitchen, living room, and office area. It's just like you remember it. Discover a stage and accessories inspired by unforgettable show moments. From the statue to the Festivus pole, every detail is here. This impressive model is over 5.5 inches high and 13 inches wide. It's the perfect display piece for any fan's home or a fantastic gift idea. What we like. This set recreates Jerry's iconic apartment from the beloved 90s sitcom. It's packed with memorable details and includes all the main characters. If you're a Seinfeld fan who loves 90s nostalgia and wants a fun, detailed display piece, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Love all the details they included in Jerry's appointment. Enjoyable LEGO set with a ton of great design choices. Had lots of fun details and the instructions were easy to follow. Number 1. Dunder Mifflin Scranton Construction Set. Relive your favorite moments with this 369-piece construction set. It brings the iconic Dunder Mifflin Scranton branch right to your fingertips. Get ready to build. We've updated the figures to look more realistic and stylized. These new characters are ready to join your collection. They're perfect for any fan. Inside the box, you'll find 3 collectible minifigures. Michael Scott, Dwight Schrute, and Jim Halpert are all included. Each comes with their own iconic workspace. This set is authentic to the show, featuring a fully decorated environment. You'll even find Pam's watercolor painting included. Every detail is just like you remember. Looking for the perfect gift for a fan of The Office? This officially licensed construction set is the ideal choice. It's a gift that's sure to be a hit. This set is so good, it's almost unbelievable. It's the perfect addition to any fan's collection. You won't regret getting this. What we like. This set brings the Dunder Mifflin Scranton branch to life with updated character figures. It's filled with authentic details that fans of the show will recognize and appreciate. If you're a devoted fan of The Office and want a fun, recognizable piece of memorabilia to display, this is the perfect gift. What people say. Very easy to put together and sturdy. Liked all the little details that they remembered to add. The little stickers for the mail and computers are so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.